Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be Willow. So here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this wolf, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to start out with an overall head shape again, and it's just going to be one big circle. Just try to draw it as best as you can. I know this is very tricky. Alright, and then from this circle, right in the middle, just going to draw a little oval. So just make it a little bit flatter on the top and bottom. And then now to finish up the snout area, just come up slightly, make a little point, and then I'm going to come down and draw a really big circle almost all the way to the bottom. Just leave a little bit of space. Come in an angle, whatever space you have here. We'll draw in one of her eyes. Same thing here. Right in the middle, draw a little dot here, finish up her eyes. And then right on the side here, she's got those eyelashes. So just come out to make 2 little blocks. And then lastly, for the eyebrow right here, just gonna draw one line, just right over the eye first, and then turn that into a little rectangle. And I'll just shade it in real quick. Alright, so I know there's more detail up here, but let's go ahead and finish up the cheek right here. Just on the side, just come out. Just draw a little egg shape. And then now for the little line here, there's gonna be one big curve going over the eye. So I'm gonna start right here, go up. Gonna pretty much hit the eyebrow there. Just come over and then just go out. Might be a little bit hard to see here because there's a lot of little lines. So just go all the way up and then just come out. Alright, so now for her ear, so just come to the side of the eye, just come up make a little point. Same thing here. From these 2 points, we'll just angle out and then close it off with a sharp angle. So same thing here, just come up. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little border here. This part should be a line here, but I'm just gonna make this dark. All right, so that's the head, and now let's go down to the body right here, and she's got this hoodie, so it'll come out right here, nice and wide. And then to finish up the hoodie, we'll just come down. So just make it a little bit wobbly. And then let's go ahead and add in the little string here. So if you wanted, you just erase that out, or I'll just make it all dark. All right, and then now for the armpits, we'll join the arms later. Let's come down here. Give it a slight curve. Just close it off. So this is going to be the hip. Let's draw in 2 lines for the shirt. So this is going to be different color. All right, and then now we can draw in the arm. So the armpit's going to be right around here. Let's start it up here on the outside. Curve down. Same thing here, just follow that curve. So we're stopping right around here. Close it off. Same thing on this side. Just come down. And then now for the hands. So we're gonna draw the thumb first. Just one little curve, little hook. Add one little line here. Here's the back of the hand. And then from this space right here, draw her finger. We'll just curve. Just kind of round it out and connect that. So it's almost like it's just like a little hook. For the other finger, I'm just gonna add one little curve inside. Okay, same thing here. One hook, one little line on the inside, and then here's the back of the hand. Curve down, just round it up. All right, and then now for the legs, nice and easy. Right in the center right here, just draw one little line. And let's go almost straight down. I'll make it a little bit wider on the bottom. So that's gonna be the inside of the leg. Now on the outside, just come down, flare out a little bit more, stop a little bit short, give a little bump, close it off. Come down, same thing here. One little bump. And that is it for this very cool looking Willow. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.